I got to I had to left crossing aka bloody Brayford again. Stupid thing. Oh, I hate this crossing.
Why have you recorded it?
Just think of Brayford yet again.
What's a Brayford anyway?
It's a crossing in Lincoln, and it goes up for one bit, and it goes up for one train, and then it goes up, and then it goes straight down again for another train.
Oh, do the Brayford.
For fuck's sake. I couldn't believe you did Brayford. Oh my god.
Where's it coming?
That away. I hate it when it does this.
Hey guys, we're at Handicap Level Crossing in East Sussex with Michael and Harvey.
Okay, Brayford.
AK Brayford.
Anything.
The crossing decided to do a Brayford on us.
There's candy on the tracks, no jump on them.
You jump in your face.
Yeah, the crossing decided to do a Brayford on me and Harvey.
You jump in your face.
If you don't know what a Brayford is, my cousin will have
Oi,
to.
mate. Shut your fucking face, you playing top prick.
If you don't know what the
Don't
Brayford.
get the prick on camera. Look like that bastard. Oh, she is.
If you don't know what a Brayford is, my cousin will happily explain.
It's a crossing in Lincoln. But basically, it'll go down for one train, and then it'll go up, and then 30 seconds later, it'll probably go back down again.
Wow.
I think she's going up 3.
Oh,
She
377.
Yeah, she's going up 3.
The wave.
No, I'm not.
I am.
She's going up 3. 377 119. 377 119 to or and up they go.
Okay, so
If
go
it
now,
goes
see you next
in
video.
video.